So I've got my work light here. Now the seller did send this to me so I can go ahead and show you the features, and I will tell you this is a super bright light. It's got 136 LEDs. It's got a runtime right around 30 hours. And then also on the back side here, we've got some controls. We've got our power on button, and right over here, this is where we're actually going to go ahead and charge it with a Type-C. This is also a power bank with a USB-A, and then we've got a couple other buttons here too. Let me go ahead and turn it on. Now we do have red light. We've got a solid red light, and then also the blinking one. I like this because you can use this for an emergencies. Maybe you're stopped on the side of the road and you want other cars to know that you're out there, so you can put this out there too. And then also we've got 4 different colors and 4 different brightnesses of light. So it's really got everything that you need. And the stand right here, it's actually moves 180 degrees. So no matter where you put it, you can go ahead and just adjust that, because it does have a magnet on this back side. And you'll notice we have some threads right here. If you have a tripod, you can mount it on there. It does have a clip right here. So if you were, say, in a tent, you can go ahead and use it for that to clip around the fabric. It also has a battery level indicator. And we've also got a battery charger cord right here also. I love the housing here. It's just really nice and thick and heavy duty. And it has the yellow and the black. It just kind of stands out. This is just definitely something I can throw in the back of my truck of my vehicle and always have it for emergencies. Hope you found this helpful.